Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 10th March 2021 Thursday. So this video is for Thursday only. I'll be coming back again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel because I always bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So the first stock for the day is Anglo American, and you can see that I have drawn a line here at 3021 level. Okay, so 3021 level is a price level that you need to watch today. So if you get the stock above 3021 level, then it's a buy. But there are certain conditions. Let me get to the conditions. The first condition is if the market opens gap up, okay, and you get the stop above 3021, okay, wait for 30 minutes, okay, let the stock trade comfortably above 3021 level, then only go for a buy order. In case market opens below 3021 level, okay, between this range, then also wait for the stock, okay, to cross the 3021 level. In case the market gives a breakout during the session, okay, wait for 15 to 30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order, otherwise avoid it. Okay, so buy call above Anglo American above 3021 only. So the next stock for the day is Glencore. For Glencore, you can see that the last traded price 284.90, and the stock has taken support at 281 level, which is also the daily support at the daily chart. Okay, so that's a very good sign. So it is respecting the daily support. So as a result, what should be your strategy for the day? Your strategy for the day is simple. Okay, if you get the stock above 289 level, then buy. If you get the stock below this 281 level, or to be on a safer side, okay, look for a buying opportunity below 279 level. If you get the stock above 289 level, it's a buy. And if you get the stock below 279 level, then just look for whether the price is being supported by volume or not. Okay. And in case you see or spot the price trading below the daily support level, then just wait for again 15 to 30 minutes. Let the support become the resistance. Okay. And just check whether there is volume or not. Then only you should go for a short order. So these two are the levels 289 and 279. So the third stock for the day is Evraj. For Evraj, you can see that last traded price is 583.6, and it tried to cross the daily resistance which was at 595.6, but it failed and ultimately closed at 583 level. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that overall trend of the stock is up. Okay, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunities because that will be much safe. Okay, therefore what should be the strategy? Our strategy for average is, okay, buy above 595.6. In case there is a gap up opening, wait for the stock. Okay, wait for the stock to trade at least for 30 minutes, then go for a buy order. In case stock opens below 595.6 level, then wait for the stock to cross the resistance level, this level. In case it crosses this level successfully, wait for 15-30 minutes, let the stock feel comfortable, let the stock trade comfortably enough the resistance level, then only go for a buy order. Okay, let the resistance become the support. The next stock for the day is Prudential. There is no doubt that Prudential is in good run. Okay, and you can see that the last traded price is 1547. This is the last traded price. Okay, and it has beautifully broke the daily resistance yesterday. So buy call for Prudential. No short call for Prudential. Only buy call above 1547. In case there is a gap up opening, wait for 15-30 minutes, and if there is a breakout, wait for 15-30 minutes again. But only buy above 1547 level. Okay, and if you get the stock around, okay, 1531 level, and you are kind of a aggressive trader, then you can think of buying the stock at around 1531 level. Okay, if you are an aggressive trader. But if you want to play safe, then only go 1547 level. So the next stock for the day is Standard Chartered. Because Standard Chartered, you can see that, okay, this stock was in uptrend, then right now kinda consolidation, and these two are the important levels for the stock. Okay, the last traded price is 498.4, and the stock managed somehow to close above the daily support level. Okay. So what should be a strategy for the day? Okay, no buy call. Okay, only buy above 514 level. Okay, this level. If you get the stock above 514.4 level, then only go for a buy order. Otherwise, no buy call. Because if you buy the stock above 509 level, again you will be getting resistance here, 512, 514. So there is no point of buying the stock. There are multiple resistances. So only buy call above 514. And in case you get the stock below 498.4, this level. Okay. In case you get the stock below this level, then it's a huh, then it's a good position to short the market. Just wait, just check whether the price is being supported by volume or not. Okay, if there is volume and if you see that there is good selling pressure, then short it. So the last stock for the day is CRH. Okay, for CRH you can see that, okay, you can see that last traded price 3406, and it has made a doji. Okay, it's kind of an illusion going on in the market. Okay. As the previous day's candle was a big fat bullish candle, so we will only be looking for buying opportunities above this level, 3436 level. So in case you get the stock above 3436 level, buy. But just remember, let the stock trade comfortably above 3436. If there's a gap up opening, wait for 30 minutes. In case there is a breakout. In case there is a breakout during the session, okay, wait for 15-30 minutes. Let the stock feel comfortable above 3436. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go for a buy order. That will be your area of value. At that point of time, the risk to reward ratio will match. Okay. So these are the stocks that you need to watch and make money on this Thursday. So that's it. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. Thank you so much. Good luck.